Okay, so we are tackling a feeling in this explainer that, well, a lot of us know all too well. You know, if you've ever felt like simply climbing the stairs or just standing up from a low chair has started to feel unexpectedly heavy, you've probably just written it off as, I'm just getting old, right? We all do it. But when I first looked at this recent, completely groundbreaking research out of the University of Tokyo, I was absolutely floored because it proves that's just not the case. That weakness in your legs, it isn't just inevitable aging. It is a very specific chemical breakdown. And today, we're going to dive into exactly how to fix it using 5 powerful everyday foods. Let's kick things off with a number from the Journal of Geriatric Medicine that literally made my jaw drop. They found that after you hit 60, your body produces 99% less of the proteins needed to repair and rebuild your leg tissue. I mean, just think about that for a second. 99%. So it's not that your legs are just inherently getting weak, it's that your muscle fibers are literally starving for the right raw materials to rebuild themselves. Researchers actually have a name for this whole phenomenon. They call it silent muscle collapse. It's essentially a chemical breakdown happening deep inside the muscle tissue. But here is the genuinely incredible news. Those University of Tokyo scientists discovered that by eating specific foods, we can actually wake up those dormant cells, get the circulation pumping again, and completely restore balance in just 8 weeks. So we are going to count down the 5 specific superfoods that stop silent muscle collapse right in its tracks. All right, let's jump right into section 1, plant-based protectors, specifically sweet potatoes and black beans. So before we can go and build new muscle, we actually have to shield and protect the muscle we already have. Makes sense, right? These plant-based foods basically act like invisible armor for your legs. Coming in at food number 5 to help us do exactly that, sweet potatoes. Harvard researchers looked at some of the strongest elderly populations over in Okinawa and found that the folks eating sweet potatoes 4 times a week had 60% more type 2 muscle fibers. Why? Well, it's all about the beta-carotene. Your body converts this to vitamin A, and it acts literally like rust-proofing for your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. It completely protects them from oxidative damage. Plus, they pack a massive 700 milligrams of potassium per potato, which is absolutely crucial for stopping those annoying nighttime leg cramps. Now hold on, because there is a massive catch here. It's all about preparation. You can definitely do this wrong. If you peel them and just throw them in the microwave, you actually trigger blood sugar spikes that end up breaking down muscle tissue. But Japanese longevity experts have proven that if you steam them whole, keep the skin on, for about 25 to 30 minutes, you preserve these amazing compounds that regulate your blood sugar. Oh, and doing it this way increases the bioavailability of that crucial beta-carotene by up to 300%. It's a no-brainer. Moving right along to food number 4, black beans. The National Institute on Aging found something wild. Elderly folks eating black beans 5 times a week had leg muscles that looked 10 to 15 years younger on MRI scans. 15 years! The magic ingredient here is resistant starch. This specific starch feeds your gut bacteria, and they in turn produce a short-chain fatty acid called butyrate. This butyrate actually travels down to your legs and literally flips a genetic switch that stops muscle wasting. But just like the sweet potatoes, how you prep them changes the whole game. Here is the exact step-by-step method to really unlock those benefits. First off, soak your dried black beans overnight with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This breaks down the phytic acid, which is important because otherwise it blocks your body from absorbing minerals. Next, dump that water and cook them in fresh water with a little strip of kombu seaweed. That adds extra minerals and really helps with digestion. Finally, just let them simmer nice and slow for 90 minutes. This whole process makes sure your body can actually absorb the incredible levels of magnesium and folate hidden inside. So just to recap real quick, it's really about how these two work together. Sweet potatoes give you the beta-carotene to rust-proof your cellular engines, and the black beans swoop in with that butyrate to stop the muscle from wasting away in the first place. Together, these 2 plant-based powerhouses just lay down this incredible foundational defense that your leg muscles desperately need as the years go by. Okay, moving right into section 2, the protein powerhouses. We're talking sardines and eggs. Now that we've armored up and protected the muscle, we have to actively rebuild it. And get this, 78%. A huge 5-year study from the University of Barcelona revealed that eating sardines, which is our food number 3, just twice a week results in 78% less muscle loss in your legs. I mean, that is an absolute game changer. They send these massive growth signals directly to your cells and rebuild all that structural integrity. But you've got to make the right choice at the grocery store. Whatever you do, avoid the sardines packed in cheap, inflammatory oils like soybean oil that actually interferes with your muscle recovery. You want to look for wild-caught sardines packed in water or extra virgin olive oil. And I know this time's a little out there for some people, but eat them with the soft bones. That perfect little package delivers crazy high levels of EPA and DHA omega-3s, which make your cell membranes incredibly flexible. Plus, you get all that muscle-contracting calcium and vitamin D. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip. Mash them up with a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The vitamin C increases your iron absorption by 4 times. All right, food number 2, eggs. And we are about to bust a massive myth here, courtesy of the University of Illinois. For years, right, we were all told to only eat the egg whites, ditch the yolk. But it turns out older adults who ate whole eggs experienced 57% more muscle protein synthesis in their legs compared to the folks just eating the whites. The whole egg is honestly just a miracle food. It has a perfect biological value of 100. That means your body literally uses every single amino acid inside it. The yolk is packed with leucine, which triggers the mTOR pathway. Think of that as your muscle's master growth switch. It flips it right on. It also gives you choline, which helps your brain communicate clearly with your leg muscles to stop you from feeling uncoordinated or clumsy. And hey, if you're still worried about cholesterol, scratch that. Recent studies looking at 500,000 people show that eating up to 1 whole egg a day actually improves cardiovascular health. The whole cholesterol fear was completely overblown. But please, let's talk about how we cook them. We've all choked down those dry, hard, chalky, overcooked yolks. Not only are they tough to eat, but boiling them like that actually destroys the precious heat-sensitive vitamins inside. The real insider secret? Soft boil them for exactly 6 to 7 minutes so the yolk stays nice and creamy. That gives you maximum bioavailability, and timing is everything. If you eat 2 to 3 of these soft-boiled eggs within 30 minutes after your daily walk, you can boost muscle synthesis by an astounding 280%. No joke. So to wrap up our protein powerhouses, you can really see how they perfectly complement each other. The sardines come in with the omega-3s and calcium to keep those cell membranes nice and flexible, while the whole eggs bring the leucine and choline to literally flip that master growth switch and supercharge your brain-to-muscle communication. Which brings us to section 3, the ultimate superfood. We are talking about wild-caught salmon. Okay, so we've protected the muscle, we flipped the growth switch, now it's time for food number 1. Scientists at Washington University literally call this the closest thing to a fountain of youth for your muscles. The secret weapon hidden inside wild salmon is a compound called astaxanthin. This is an unbelievably powerful antioxidant that penetrates incredibly deep into your muscle mitochondria. It acts like this impenetrable protective force field around your cellular power plants. And when you combine that force field with 22 grams of high-quality protein, huge hits of vitamin D3, and the natural creatine found in just a single serving of salmon, the results are just staggering. In one study, older adults increased their leg strength by an incredible 68% in just 16 weeks. But to actually harness all that power, you've got to follow a few golden rules in the kitchen. First, it absolutely must be wild-caught. Farm-raised salmon just has nowhere near the same omega-3 profile. Second, keep the skin on while you cook it. That is exactly where the highest concentration of those omega-3s live. Third, whatever you do, do not overcook it. Blasting it with heat reduces protein digestibility by up to 40%. Just bake it gently at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And finally, try to enjoy it within 2 hours of any sort of leg activity to really optimize that muscle repair. And that leads us to our final section, section 4, your daily action plan. The really amazing thing about all of this? The path to maintaining powerful, active, strong legs well into your 80s and 90s isn't hiding in some pharmacy aisle. It is sitting right there in your kitchen. But look, don't feel overwhelmed. You absolutely do not have to completely overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just start gradually. Pick 1 or 2 of these superfoods. Maybe try to soft-boiled eggs right after your morning walk tomorrow, or prep some steamed sweet potatoes a few hours before you head out. You can build up to all 5 over time. Just remember, consistency is way more important than perfection when we're talking about rebuilding your cellular engines. Because ultimately, your age doesn't decide your strength. What you eat does. You absolutely have the power to stop silent muscle collapse and completely rebuild your foundation from the ground up. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Which of these 5 incredible superfoods are you going to add to your plate today? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And hey, here's to strong, healthy, powerful legs for decades to come.